How to use Google Translate and Immersive Reader tools with your courses. To use Google Translate on your Canvas pages, right-click on the page to see the Translate option. Then choose your language. To use Google Translate on your course textbook pages, click the Select Language button. Then choose your language. To use Google Translate on a quiz or exam, right-click on the page to see the Translate option. Then choose your language. Instructions on how to install and use the Immersive Reader tool can be found on your Canvas dashboard.